This is a video series on how to make your research presentation more and more impactful. We've already done 2 videos on pyramid principle and storytelling for your presentations. In this video, we will learn what can we do to design our presentation and deliver our presentation for that final impact. I'll tell you 5 things to do to make your presentation stand out. Let's start with that. First is create an outline. Create a rough structure for your presentation before you start designing it. To do that, you can take the help of pyramid principle and storytelling and organize your thoughts clearly. The second thing is to choose the right font. Remember, sans serif kind of fonts are better for presentations because when you project it on a laptop or a presentation board, it is easier for the audience to use. So you can use Arial or Calibri but not Times New Roman. That is more difficult to read. The third thing is colors. When you're thinking of colors for your presentation, don't try to include too many colors and make it more like a rainbow unless it's for a children's party. Go with colors that go with the brand logo for which you are working. So it can be your college logo colors, it can be your team logo colors, or it can be your brand or office logo colors if you're making a corporate presentation. Keep it clean. Fourth point is to write your points in bullet structure. Do not make your slides text heavy. If you do that, the audience will not be able to read it properly and will be distracted from your presentation itself. Use the presentation as a guide and not as a textbook. Fifth thing for maximum impact is the use of data, charts and pictures. Try not to use pictures with watermark in the back or pictures that are low quality. Create data in the same brand colors that you are using for the rest of your presentation. If you do all 5 of these, your presentation will definitely stand out in front of any audience. Now it comes to delivery. A lot of people get very nervous when it comes to actually delivering a good presentation. For that, I have 3 tips for you. First, maintain an eye contact. You're a person talking to other persons. If you keep looking at the audience every now and then, they will feel more and more connected. The second thing is to use a little bit of movement and hand gesture. Imagine if I was doing this video standing straight like this and not moving at all. It will be much less engaging. So for your presentation as well, make sure you use some hand movement and some body movement so that the audience is engaged. And finally, at the end, do spend some time on taking questions so that you understand where the audience is struggling, and your preparation, your research and your structuring will help you answer those questions. So with these 5 design principles and 3 presentation principles, you are finally ready to create an amazing pitch for your research. See all the 3 videos again and keep practicing. Wish you all the very best.